Hey, this is Christy, and we are here today with Visit St Lucie over at Little Jim's. This is a historic shack which serves lunch foods, and we are going to go kayaking here on the North Causeway. We are super excited and cannot wait to see what the ocean has in store for us. We're going to go kayaking to an island. So, let's have fun. Come along, we have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure. This is Jim Island on North Causeway in Fort Pierce, Florida. As you can see, it has a dedicated kayak launch across from Stan Blum boat ramp, where we did a dolphin tour in a prior video. The weather today is beautiful, and we are excited to get out on the water. You guys excited? Do you see the boats? Those are kayaks. This is our first time kayaking in the ocean as a family. Dad, are you excited about this?
Yeah, you guys are excited.
And the kids are really looking forward to the trip. You never know what you're going to see when in the Indian River Lagoon. This is an osprey, which is a large raptor that eats fish.
Run to the bars. This is fun. Let's see how Mama's doing.
Here we are in the mangroves. This is so beautiful and such an important part of the Florida ecosystem. The mangroves serve an important purpose in our ecosystem. They filter sediment. They prevent damage from storms like hurricanes. And they serve as a habitat for many of Florida's native birds, wildlife, and if we're lucky, we might be able to see a manatee. There are dozens of spoil islands in the Indian River Lagoon that were remnants of the dredging done historically. These islands have become covered in foliage and habitats to many different species. Many of them have picnic tables, grills, benches, and each is different, so it's great to explore. They are only accessible by water though. What do you guys think? The kids are exploring the island, while my husband works on his small unmanned aircraft. That was a workout, wasn't it? This is such a great place to take a break in the shade from kayaking. This island has a fire pit and a bench and a colony of crabs. Little crabbies everywhere. Oh wow, look at that. Those little baby crabs, don't touch on them. Cute guy. because they're not using it. And when you're not using your campfire, you always put it out that way. There's no fire chance of setting the island on fire. We don't want to do that.
What it is?
Spoil Islands of the Indian River Lagoon Aquatic Preserve. The Spoil Island possesses sensitive habitat that need your protection, such as bird roosting sites, dense or shallow seagrass beds, and mangroves. Because of the sheer amount of options you have, and direction, and islands to visit, it is totally fine to just wander and see what appeals to you. The Indian River Lagoon is one of the most biodiverse estuaries in the Northern Hemisphere, and is home to more than 4,300 species of plants and animals. It goes all the way back to the glacial periods. Before it became the lagoon we're familiar with, it was all grassland that was 30 miles from the ocean. When the glaciers melted, the sea rose, and the lagoon is all captured water. Oh, it's a bridge, you're right. Ian, you hold this and point it at Dad.
Here's the water.
Steven, this is amazing.
Mama. And here's here.
That's Dada.
So, how are you doing today, friend? Here is that. Let's go. Mama. And let's go inside.
Not yet, baby. So, kayaking is really easy, and it is something you can probably pick up like pretty immediately. The water is beautiful today. The weather is gorgeous. You cannot forget your sunscreen because in Florida, and especially on the water, you want to make sure that you're protected from the UV rays, and especially the kids. We have on an SPF 50 on the kids and ourselves, and it's best to bring it with you so that you can reapply as needed. Stay safe and enjoy those rays. As we approach the shore, we are greeted by large pelicans overlooking from the dock posts. We love pelicans, and they can be native to Florida, so are something you can see on your kayak trip. We've really enjoyed this trip in clear kayaks around the Indian River Lagoon. We saw some amazing birds, fish, and cannot wait to come back and see what's next. There are so many animals in this estuary that each trip is unique, and it holds endless promise. Now that we're back on land, we are super hungry. So, we're going to check out Little Jim Bait and Tackle. This has been here for years, and all the locals recommend it. It's decorated in a seaside shack style, but plenty of covered tables. It's a fun, festive dining option, and it's dockside. The menu has plenty of options, from the clam chowder to deli sandwiches and fresh seafood. Stephen opted for the blackened shrimp po' boy. I chose a Cuban sandwich, and the kids went for a cheeseburger with extra pickles. All of these items come with chips on the side, and there are plenty of options of things to drink. Tons of pickles and chips.
With hamburger? I probably won't leave no later than 4:30.
There's the chip.
Right there, honey. We had a delicious meal, and now it's time to return the clear kayaks. Thank you, Visit St Lucie, for showing us the best things to do in this beautiful county. Don't forget to hashtag Visit St Lucie with your favorite vacation shots, and check out the clear kayaks for your own family adventure. This will be an experience we'll be thinking about for a long time. Bye-bye for now. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.